Calvi back there. That is so cool. Calvi is so cool looking.
Security. All ships. All ships. All ships. This is Corsica MRSC for a coastal warning gale for the Corsica area. This is VHF channel 79. 7, 9, 6.
11 knots behind us. Can't wait. Is it the tack?
This is the tack, so if anything goes really, really bad, this is what we get rid of.
Yes. Okay, now all I have to do is steer the boat in the right direction, yes?
Oh, look at that. First time getting the spinnaker up. Deanna's flying the spinnaker for the first time. Bay di Cravani. It is a really pretty little valley here with green and I am told this is one of the most beautiful beaches in Corsica and not a good anchorage. So we're going to go on to the next one where I can anchor because I don't want to anchor in these little pebbles. Pretty coastline of Corsica. Just coming up to Galleria.
Little beach, red sand. Cool rock formation.
Leaving Galleria Bay. Town of Galleria is pretty much all dark now, but sun's going to come up over those mountains there. Moon going down, sun coming up. We're going between Ilat Palazzo and Punta Palazzo. Cool little gap here.
And we're going through this narrow opening between the little rock and the big rock. Because it seems like we could. So cool. Going through this narrow opening. Crazy.
Crossing between these huge, this madness, red rock, whoa,
Behind you.
and right here, whoa, just a narrow opening, and caves and wow. Lots of caves over there too. Wow.
What is this place? I don't know. But it's on the west of Corsica. And south of Calvi.
Punta Palazzo.
The Palazzo. Scary. Madness. This is crazy. And the bird just flew over my head.
And there's a castle.
Look at this maddening view. Got through that little narrow opening. This is crazy. Вот с ума сойти какие. Камни, пещеры. Madness. All the colors on these rocks. Some holes, some caves in them. So pretty, and a castle, of course, and all kind of colors. Look at this madness.
This is cool. Look, castle. This is so cool.
Like right here.
Reach out and touch it.
Like I can reach out and touch it.
And we're in 45 meters of water.
Crazy cool colors this morning.
They built a tower at the top of this rock. I don't even know how you get stuff up there to build a tower like that, let alone how you get people up and down there all the time, food to man it. That's crazy. This one's got people at it. There's a tower almost every point on here. I wonder how well manned they were and such like that, how they signaled each other. I'm gonna have to look up some of this stuff. Another tower at the top of this one. I guess it was for the Barbary pirates for the most part.
Sunset. We are not far from Ajaccio.
I am ready.
What did you just do? Do you see? They snatch it. They got Jenn on it. This is so pretty. Come fishy. 8 in the morning. This is what we get. All the empty mooring bowls. Out of season.
Believe in Orsino. Orsino. Lots of O's in Orsino.
There is a
tower up here with a hole in it. Looks like somebody took practice at it with a cannon. Lovely calm anchorage for the night, all blocked from the south here. Oh, it's so pretty out here. It's middle of October. It's like 18 degrees right now at 9 o'clock in the morning.
This is really good. How the water is evaporating and hitting the rocks. So pretty.
Look how pretty this is. I could live there.
Sailing.
Sundogs in the Bay of Lava. Going past the rocks of Sangdabui. Waves smashing on them. Things crashing on the front of the boat too, but not as bad as those things.
Sploosh. Favorite state, having a sea state. Look up, yes. You have splooshing things behind you. close to Ajaccio, Sanguinaires Islands. And we're gonna make a crossing between, maybe between these two little ones.
First view of Ajaccio, birthplace of Napoleon.
Little people? Where are the little people?
By the black rocks.
La 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 la.
Old Town Ajaccio. Surrounded by the new buildings. Sailing beside the Ajaccio, looking at the new buildings surrounding the old buildings. This is the citadel, looks like. So cool.
Well, this is why we have swell in our marina. Look at this coming in. The Ajaccio Citadel. Looks like it used to have a moat. Now it's green grass with mosquitoes.
Look at that wave. Whoa! So cool. Goes back up. Birds, lots of birds, more birds. More birds are joining the party. Whoa! Ajaccio, Calvi, some square. I don't know what's the square is called here. We'll find out later. And I don't know whose statue is that. Maybe Napoleon?
The statue of Napoleon behind us, the first consul statue, which is famous, I guess. Restaurant Don Quixote. Through the streets of Ajaccio. Kind of like the streets of Paris or Athens or whatever.
Ajaccio, this is the art museum fish.
Il s'agit d'une réplique de la statue placée aux Invalides où Napoléon revenait. Le plan incliné.
Only on foot to the tower, to the Sanguinaires tower. Some boats are anchored here.
I don't know why everybody else didn't come. Water. Look at the water. The big blue spot in the water and the rain on the other side of Ajaccio Bay.
Ajaccio.
David on a mission to get to the tower of the point to Ajaccio on the Sanguinaires route. This one. So pretty. I don't know if we can make it to the bus in less than 20 minutes, but this is beautiful. I think we should take the chance. Otherwise it rained. Back to bus.
Nous reprenons la route vers Ajaccio.
Rainy view. Very wet day. But it's fun.
size cemetery. All the little mausoleums in it. Maison Bonaparte. House where he was born.
I guess this is it.
Thanks for watching. Join us next week when we see the interior of Napoleon's childhood home and more Ajaccio.